Orengi inkogwate ogeni tukithie na mbere na ntito cietu rugendo rwa rais muthure William Ruto gucua giti kia urais rwethiritwe rucurite metia na MENAMA mbere ucure wawe na rais uria umagarukite Uhuru Kenyatta rwatuikana nkethi na cio gatagati ka Raila Odinga na Uhuru Kenyatta ciaumia mauntu ona nkuruki kiri kithurano kurukirite gukurukiri atongoria aregani ombete kwithirwa akigiro migambo imingi muno na montu mamumira banene bamona nkinyagia Uhuru Kenyatta kugwata mbaru Raila Odinga rwironi rwa giti kia urais na nkinyagia atakungwira ushindi wa Ruto tiga umonde kirirwa ria rwawe rwa mwisho kirigaru ino ya rais Boniface Mongera na gutonia buria gutithiritwo kwe barabara tambarare rwironi rwa kuthungira garuni ya rais kiri Ruto.
Rugendo rwangwatino ya kwambiri gwitanira ngugi katikati ka rais Uhuru Kenyatta Raila Odinga rwa tariki 9 mwezi wa 3 mwaka 2018 rwari mwambiriro rugendo ruraja rwa barabara yo linkomango marinya migo nya tuthioro twingi katikati ka rais Uhuru Kenyatta orumarukite ntukwe RUUJU na rais muthure Samuel Ruto ruthungirito ntukwe je RUUJU atere kirimo kuja historia noririkano bobwega rais Uhuru Kenyatta bwambere burum bagekara na kubanga nteto shankethi karandishe kinondinga William Samuel Ruto atamenyithitwe kinyanini tajo kiremerie mingenio mantu yatrembire kwetho je kemboka hari Odinga ora bashina na ura roterwa nasa kwambire kwethre mokweria na Ruto nwe kwambire gutengwa Ruto nwe akwambire korona kwethre tengwa ambire safari wichira kura cha mwaka 2022 na kemuthia achone lito tangatanga.
Hii kijana anaitwa Ruto, unajua kila weekend anatanga kila pahali.
Rieto tangatanga naryo ritathire ntuko nyingi ritachuro mwarongi na kieleweke mbunge okarajo Nyeri gonjirwa mbogo na kumiraja gwetana mbere nande ikundi biabire.
We feel that William Ruto must shape up or ship out.
Tuko tayari kwa uchaguzi. Tuko tayari serikali ivunjwe. Tuko tayari kwenda kwa debe. We enjoy 80% of the support of Kenyans. Wakimwaga ugali tunamwaga kitoweo.
Gacha jine shokera mwankoro kinte to BBI rere komutero wa Kenyinga kalikana kiri kyatho kebire ke umurugulia nyombene boma Ruto ne kirenzo inyingire ntuba wethire anini bawe ni nyankoroki rais Uhuru Kenyatta.
We've experienced the politicians who have mastered the art of conning, conniving, confusing and taking advantage of our youth and cutting corners with their future. We are here today to give them notice. We've seen some of them who are parading inventions that happened during the 16th century of a one-wheel machine. And we are telling them this morning that the 16th century inventions cannot be used to solve the challenges of the 21st.
How come in the 21st century a 16th century tool called the wheelbarrow, millions of citizens in the 21st century are still dependent on the wheelbarrow and mokokoteni? That is the discussion we need to have. Yes.
Lakini sasa my brother William hapa amepinduka, anakimbia nyuma.
Koroki kinyigo akinyerera Antonio amwe Ruto kwati kugwatogeni kirimishemo ni okaroterwa State House ara kinyanini bawe ma minister PSS anende wa parastato bere kithirirwe Pedro baitenganwe na kuthukia manto bureze kitivu ndo makumakiro bisi ya rais Uhuru Kenyatta ya komutunya mamlaka na kunenkera minister Matiang'i haja minister bamubambiria komumira werune burunya komuchongwa mtote na gitomi.
Hata huyo mkubwa wake ni karani wa rais. Si ni karani wa rais? The deputy president is a clerk who should be a clerk. Assistant to a president.
Bandala ya kusunguka akirushia president maneno kwa barabara, angekuwa akishughulika kwa kazi kama hii, badala ya kutuuliza maswali. Tukienda kufanya kazi anatuuliza maswali kwa mikutano ya dharura huko kwa soko. Umepewa kazi huko naye utaki kufanya ile huko naye unatafuta ingine.
May it please His Excellency the Deputy President Dr. William Ruto, EGH, UPL, DL, CH.
Jabo tengani ndo ashakubanga kirimishe mwisho mbire kwedru ikionekana ja kwangerekana roterwa kisi inyakeno muranga arokarika na dharikine tekire nyotoro kwedru bwetewa no kaunjoje ne okau tiangasi edru gitewa kirikaniseni retete okaria bwawe bwenderere kwedru bokiaga gwari nyokarika na mabitha ba Jesu bebero kirikaro bebe Karen na mabitha ba epi bekro.
Don't talk about withdrawal. There was no withdrawal. It's a rearrangement of the second layer of security by the Inspector General Police.
Hii mambo ya GSU na AP na nini ni mambo madogo sana.
Don't be misused by a government that has only 2 years to go. Hiyo maswali utakuja kujibu kwa serikali nyingine.
The Constitution gives us the right to assemble and associate with anyone we want to associate with.
Nteto shokaria yake kinyakia makia Jubilee kiraba ondetan Rais Uhuru Kenyatta hedro akiurutwa nero akagerekere ko hedro akionekana ikarone bine bya Jubilee pangani.
The deputy party leader, as a self-declared presidential candidate of 2022, will not be allowed to use the party headquarters as a center of operationalization of his 2022 campaign.
Mpongeri ejo etethero ikiorereka kiri biongo bya ntu babainge kwentu kwa kiumie mutha kenda Ruto ikithekene kejo mo Kenyatta etitero tero Uganda na shokerwe ero akarome muneno itingwe bathirikare Joseph Kenyua Rutharo Kumara mainge yethirito ya mukarikira mwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta kuria chacha bicho kudure mukethe na njara ciawe na tere mwaka na jairi ni nyankurugi kya thone kya mandaraka kirani kya muthia kumwatakanya kwariria nthiguru no ruarua kuracitite kuringwa onekana yukia kajuka ngwatu kumero bamu tuthire kiarago kira kimbere.
We have paid for Nyayo Stadium on Saturday. We have a contract already signed between us and Nyayo Stadium. They tried to manipulate that contract. The court has said we should have the meeting in Nyayo Stadium. We are preparing to have the meeting in Nyayo Stadium.
Ke baba inge ibetikanite Rais Mudhure Samuel Ruto nedrito ajone tobo bwega inde bomboke do bwerikanika muntu edrito meritie mweteri ni nyamuchori nke report ranta shoro TV kuma yake nyina ngine kifoke Nairobi mbita Bonfils Mongera.